back to the Nightly News. My name is Matt Ehrman, and this is my co-host,
Jefferson Steelflex.
So Jefferson, have you heard about these heat domes across America?
I have. I heard they're hot.
Yeah, anyway, temperatures are rising across the nation, and we at Local News Network with No Number have decided to investigate and see what people are doing to cool off. We're going to throw it to our field correspondent, Brian Connolly. Brian?
Thanks, fellas. Out here in the streets, people love Harry Styles. Give me a watermelon sugar.
First cocktail we're making is called a watermelon sugar. For this, you'll need frozen chunks of watermelon, watermelon vodka, lime juice, spicy sugar, and mint. To make this cocktail, you're going to put your frozen watermelon chunks, 2 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of lime juice, and your mint into the blender, and then you're going to blend it until it's nice and smooth. Then you're going to pour it out into a glass that's already been rimmed with your cayenne sugar mixture and garnish it with a lime.
All right, watermelon sugar. I've got Roman back, and I've changed the layout, so we're both sitting, so it's no longer me standing on a step stool interviewing him.
Yes, finally, we figured it out.
Do we want a straw, or are we just going to...
No, I said because it's got the rim. It's got the
Perfect.
rim. All right, cheers. Okay.
What are your thoughts?
Okay, so tasting notes for me, I'm getting a lot of mint, for sure. It is very minty, which gives it that kind of like refreshing taste to it, like very summery vibes. Lime comes through a little bit. Watermelon definitely comes through. You very clear watermelon in there. Yeah, honestly, a pretty solid drink. I don't know if I would order this myself, but for summer, I can see why someone would make this. So I'd say out of 5 Elsas, I'm giving this a 3.5.
I'm going to give you $5 to say you'd order it at a restaurant.
I definitely order this at a restaurant. It's really good. I mean, I would choose this on my own.
For me, I think the X factor of this drink is actually the cayenne sugar rim, because getting that heat mixed in with the sweetness of the watermelon and that kind of cool heat of the mint, it builds a strong winter image yet summer image in your mouth. It's something that reminds me of hanging out at some resort, just getting hammered.
True.
So I'm going to give this 4.2.
4.2?
4.2 out of 5.
Understandable.
All right, next drink.
Whew, thanks, guys. That was nice, but I'm really not that cool now. I'm kind of dreaming of getting caught in the rain. Give me a pina colada.
For this recipe, you want freshly cut up pineapples, cream of coconut, unsweetened coconut milk, white rum, dark rum, and fresh lime juice. For the recipe, you're going to put about 1/3 of the cut up frozen pineapple chunks, 4 ounces of sweetened cream of coconut, 2 ounces of unsweetened coconut milk, about 6 ounces of white rum, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Blend that all in the blender, and once it's nice and smooth, pour it into your glasses, and you can add a dark rum floater on top of it for serving.
Pina colada. Still got Roman.
Hello.
Let's try it out.
Let's do it. No cheers?
Okay, cheers.
Exactly what you'd expect from a pina colada. Honestly, just an unbeatable drink, right? I mean, that's why they make songs about this drink. It's fucking incredible. Pineapple definitely comes through. Coconut taste definitely comes through. I mean, everything's there. Delicious. Makes you want to be sitting by the poolside. No complaints whatsoever about this drink. It's unbeatable. You liked it, huh?
This is the best thing anybody can ever make in the world. It's creamy, it's cool, it's refreshing. Pineapple's a great flavor. The cream of coconut gives it a good depth to it. It's not too watery because it's not all coconut milk. Lime juice is just the right amount of acidity there. Yeah, you should always get these. They're a bit sugary, but who cares? Mm-hmm. We're all gonna die. Just drink the sugar.
Exactly. Literally nothing matters.
Nothing matters at all.
coladas.
Today's sponsor, Nihilism. We're dying. And out of 5.
Out of 5, I mean, it's a pina colada. I'm giving this a 4.9 out of 5. Why not a 5? Because nothing's perfect, let's be honest. But 4.9 Elsas.
Let's give it a 4.95. As close to perfect as possible. You can't complain about it. It's just so good. So
Yeah. Ooh, that still didn't do the trick. I just need a milkshake. This is horrible.
Thanks, Brian. Man, it looks like a real scorcher out there, Jefferson.
I'll tell you, I don't know how someone can be so handsome and so sweaty at the same time.
I don't know either. One of the many mysteries of the world. Hopefully we can get one drink that really cools him off.
For the mudslide milkshake, you want vodka, vanilla ice cream, Kahlua, Bailey's, and a little bit of dark chocolate. So first, you're going to take 1 ounce of your vodka, 1.5 ounces of Bailey's Irish Cream, 1 ounce of Kahlua, and 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream, and you're going to put it in the blender. Once it's all blended, pour it into a glass, and then finally grate some dark chocolate over the top of it for presentation.
All right, so yeah, this is the mudslide milkshake, and to try this out is my friend Brian Connolly. Brian doesn't like alcohol, and he really likes sweet things, so this is why he's here for the milkshake. And we're sharing one with 2 straws, because we're cute. Ready, buddy?
Bro.
All right, what are your notes, bud?
That's pretty good. I'm getting a lot of ooh. You definitely taste a little bit of alcohol on the exhale, but I don't know. It's pretty good. I could drink a whole one.
What does it taste like? Give me some notes.
You get a lot of vanilla. I mean, from the vanilla ice cream. You get a little cream. You definitely get a little. Ice
From the vanilla ice cream?
cream. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
I think that's it.
You only taste vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, with a little bit of like on the exhale, it's like a little bit of alcohol.
Okay.
I'm not a pro.
Yeah, no, this is really good. You definitely get the flavors of a standard mudslide with that Kahlua and that Bailey's, and he's right. You do get that exhale of alcohol, which is what vodka tastes like. You're tasting vodka, but it's so it's so good with the ice cream in it, as opposed to like a normal mudslide, which is just kind of a trash little mixed drink. This is like, it's got more body to it. It's thicker. It honestly tastes so good. You want some more?
I do.
So that grated chocolate on top, just for show. I don't taste any of it because it's really just on top, and I'm using a straw. But if I taste any of the remnants that are on the ground, not bad. It's pretty dark.
Confirmed.
So out of 5, what do you rate this cocktail?
Ooh, I do not like that chocolate.
I'm asking about the cocktail, Brian.
I'd say I might give it 4 Elsas.
4 Elsas out of 5. That's a really strong score. I'm also gonna give it a 4 out of 5. It's a bit heavy for me. This is definitely something you can drink one of because it's a milkshake, and but it cools you off. It's really good. Not a lot of alcohol in it, so you're not even gonna get a good buzz, but it tastes good. Yeah, that's the mudslide milkshake. Thanks for watching.
Well, that drink looks fantastic, Brian. Anyway, there's nothing on these sheets. We're fake newscasters, and we just want to remind you to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, everyone, and thank you, Jefferson Steel Flex.
That's not my name.
What?